Hi kids, today we are going to learn body parts name. Let's go. Head. This is the head. Hair. This is the hair. Forehead. This is the forehead. Eyes. These are eyes. Ears. These are ears. Nose. This is the nose. Mouth. This is the mouth. Lips. These are the lips. Teeth. These are teeth. Tongue. This is the tongue. Chin. This is the chin. Neck. This is the neck. Shoulder. This is the shoulder. Arm. This is the arm. Elbow. This is the elbow. Hand. This is the hand. Fingers. These are fingers. Thumb. This is the thumb. Chest. This is the chest. Back. This is the back. Stomach. This is the stomach. Waist. This is the waist. Hip. This is the hip. Leg. This is the leg. Knee. This is the knee. Ankle. This is the ankle. Foot. This is the foot. Toes. These are toes. heel. This is the heel. Skin. This is skin. Great job, kids. Now you know about your 30 body parts name. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe.